So me I go down in my comment section and I say one whole heap of people. Some say Dionne not say nothing bad about JLP. Me not say nothing bad about JLP. Because I am a JLP. I just not vote for JLP again. I just not vote. I just see myself not going to vote because I was happen Monday. You understand? When me go in the line and go see, God never want nobody tell me God he want me see for myself. You understand? And a bad mind make me bring this to the front. Let me tell you something. In my community, see? Me say Mr. Hutchins to do so much in like an ungrateful piece of shit in my community. And them never dare to give the man the vote where him truly deserve and need. Right? And none of them never come out and try to highlight him and make him know say majority of these people are coming from over here to vote. So every day I have to say big up to Mr. Hutchinson. Me can't say big up to Mr. Morrison because Mr. Morrison never do nothing for me yet. Right? And as me say, me now vote again because they give me reason to. Because after me list a hurricane relief, since them come down there, me go down there and look at near means and the behavior what me see, me tell myself say no. And nobody can beat me upon that because it's my see and no. Regardless if the person them get 10, 15, 20 times, her behavior wasn't nice. And I played the damn hypocrite and call it the 2 little bag where she give me and come at me yard come near me and tell myself say me nah go back. But being as me meet pan hard times, me find myself down there and me say, me go sit down for either little chicken or if I book them I give me techie. When Mr. Hutchinson did in power, I never have this problem. Because the secretary them were down there in a much Mr. Hutchinson time, they were well behaved. Them did have some nice set of people. No care what nobody want to say. Because me one day I know me can't buy. You could have give me 10 jackals, you could have give me 15 jackals. If you have fuckery, I just fuckery. But me still love you. But me would have like to know say you change. You see what they want to talk about Mr. Andrew lick down place and lick down this. I never had nothing to say and I don't say nothing because I don't know nothing about politics. You know when me want to hear about politics, me go for a monthly life, go sit down and listen about politics. I still can't talk politics because my brain can't contain because I have too much work to do. See? So, in my comment section, you have so many people saying more prosperity, this, that. Me not get 500,000 from the government. And the 2 persons that when me see in the line, they collect $500,000. You see? For what me no know, for what me no friggin' know what they collect it for. So they should do in a book line, I'm not afraid to tell you out of my mouth. Go buy your type 500,000 where government give you. And let the poor people them, whenever get no make them come collect a book list. And that me friggin' say. And anybody want beat me down panic, boss me ass in the comment section, I'm not afraid, because my skin ticky, can't take out for hot water. Show it panic. That's how me see it. Somehow we Jamaican, we too greedy. We too disgusting and we too awful. You get $500,000. You can't take one little change to type by book. Hey? Me dear. That's all me have to say, me dear. That's why me tell us me. Now vote for them collect. Me tap. Me nah carry my daughter, and me nah carry blue, and me nah carry myself go back out there when I voting season. Cause you know what me want? Blue say because of me. All I want to Clarendon, me convince him, tell him to go vote. He say I first thing ever vote and he go dip his hand in the ink, and when he done dip his finger in the ink, he take a picture. And send it and show me say me convince him say he go vote. Me convince him say go and vote for my party. Go push them up there. And when me look on him, me come. And me not get through. Me not get through, you know. And you, I go get through now if you come boss again like how you get 500,000 if you come boss. Oh, me get book and me get chicken, move. Back up. What you say? So I'm me not fit talk. Me dear, me no know what wrong with you, no head sick. Me know too much. Me see in my comment, some of them they live in a house and then can't register house. They not live in a hit. And then come register house, you collect government. That's why you see government can do nothing with the money constructive. Because some of them don't lose dry shit. And they say they ain't lose. They say they ain't lose and they don't lose nothing. And then go sit down. And when they sit down, then collect your money. And then do everything what they want to do. And then figure out, say go and go buy all what you're picking in need. And tap good on a man office, go oppress the poor them. And make it poor can get them. I bet. Enough poor people now go get the book them. And enough who can afford it, go get it. I bet you. I bet you. Me say I bet enough of poor people them can afford the book. Now get it. And the one them can afford it now go get none. So that's why enough of you now go like me when me talk it truth. I mean no care.